Morning, everybody. It's DJ NV, Charlemagne the God. We are the Breakfast Club. There's been a lot going on, Charlemagne.
Like what?
Don't say like what, man. There's been a million and one accusations.
Oh my God, no.
I'm being serious. So let me explain some things. I'm not, my attorneys don't want me to speak, but I think there's things that I need to clear up a little bit.
I think you should listen to your attorneys. Why don't light-skinned people like to listen? Like, if your attorney told you don't say nothing, why you talking?
Listen.
Radio host DJ Envy of the Prison Club, I meant the Breakfast Club, issues a response to the people about the real estate scam investigation and lawsuits filed against he and friend business partner Caesar Pina. Let's talk about it. Hi everyone, I'm your host, owner, and creator of The Mix. Welcome to my channel. Welcome. Thank you to everyone for your support. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to my day one subscribers. Thank you all for just believing in me and supporting my channel. I appreciate you guys. I need for you all to listen to this video. Yes, listen to it from beginning to end. Continue to engage in the comment section respectfully. Also, head on over to the community section. I have some polls going on. Vote. And let me jump right into the topic. Okay, everyone, as you've heard it, a snippet of that clip in the beginning. Wow. Why is DJ Envy, government name Rashawn Casey, even speaking about an open investigation on live radio? One thing's for certain, Charlene, the GOOFY, is correct. He should listen to his attorney and be quiet and remain silent. When I was taking legal classes, you guys, really quickly, some years ago, I had a criminal law professor who was an active attorney at the time. The course of, obviously, I was taking was criminal law. Well, he basically shared how he would get so upset and agitated as a criminal law attorney, how his clients or potential clients would or had already spoken to, the investigators, law enforcement, prior or even after securing him as legal counsel. He also said it was so bothersome because that's what you have an attorney for, to speak on your behalf. Your attorney speaks for you, and in any type of form or fashion, and any statement or anything you say could be used against you in a court of law, possibly. Hence, DJ on the Prison Club, I meant the Breakfast Club. So, my former criminal law professor also stated that law enforcement and investigators, they love it, you guys. They love it when people are talking. Trust me, they're sitting back watching, sipping coffee, tea, donuts, talking ish and everything. They love it when people are talking, especially now during social media. Oh my goodness. Everybody's make their job so easy. I'm telling you, they're using more digital information, what you say, statements, everything in a court of law now, even when it comes to rap lyrics and stuff. Hence the Tory Lanez situation, which I totally disagree. But pay attention. Nevertheless, I digress. But yeah, a criminal law professor would be so annoyed to find out that his client spoke to the police, and he would tell the client, they are not your friends, and everything you say will and possibly be used against you in a court of law. So it's loud and clear, you guys. With my thoughts on this matter, DJ Envy is on national radio station making statements about an open case and being borderline comical about it too. Yeah, okay. Okay, wow. Those poor victims. And I mean that wholeheartedly. These people done almost millions, hundreds of thousands. Some of them, like, what? And you and Charlene the Goofy thinks this is funny? But to be honest, you guys, and in my opinion, something sort of tells me, perhaps or maybe, based off of what DJ Envy said in his little statement, this was probably planned and rehearsed by he and Charlene the GOOFY, or possibly approved by his attorney. It just seems so kind of like put together, if that makes sense. It's more to the clip, you guys. So let me go ahead and share some more of the clip, the audio, and I will come back with more of my reaction, opinion, and commentary.
Caesar and myself did seminars Now, the reason I did these seminars is because I wanted to uplift my community. I wanted to teach my community about real estate, things that I didn't know when I was first buying my first home. I wanted to teach our community about investing in generational wealth. So I did these seminars and brought industry professionals to all these seminars, whether it was real estate agents from different markets, contractors, conventional lenders, hard money lenders. I even brought auction.com to actually show people how to purchase houses online. That's what I wanted to do for my people. Now, Caesar, if he took money, I wasn't privy to it, nor did I even know. But I do understand.
Pause. If he took money, if he not, man, DJ Envy. I'm not an avid listener of this show any longer. I just, like I said before in the last video, I don't like how Charlene, the Goofy, treated Monique, and I feel that Charlene owes Oscar winner Monique an apology. But back to this dude. If he's just seems so blasé about it. But let me continue. If he did what? Yeah, okay.
How people feel if they did give him money, because I gave him a lot of money.
Jesus.
That I didn't see $1 of return. But for anybody to say I was involved, that's totally not true. I've been on radio close to 30 years, and never in my 30 years time did I do nothing but try to uplift people and show people a different way through the business mind, and I would never take $1 from somebody.
I could be wrong, but I didn't see nobody accusing you of taking money. I just saw them say that they met Caesar because they heard you talking about Caesar.
Let me pause. You see how Charlene came in? Yeah, this may have been put together, if you get my point. It's just my opinion, possibly. This little statement seems like it was rehearsed. That's basically what I'm saying. Let me continue. In my opinion.
They basically said I was privy to it, and that wasn't true. Not at all.
I, from what I read in actual court papers, I didn't see that. They said that all these people are saying that they met Caesar because of you.
Right, and they're saying that
nobody accusing you of taking no money.
To the point where if you read the court documents, Caesar wrote an.
Let me pause right here. You mean to tell me Charlene, the Goofy, reading court yeah, okay. Oh my goodness. I got to get my hand on the court documents. I've read plenty in my legal classes, plenty cases, court, criminal complaints, civil complaints, from beginning to end. Let me continue.
Affidavit that says DJ Envy, Rashawn Casey, had no knowledge of me investing people's money.
I saw that too.
He wasn't there. He wasn't part of those conversations. He wasn't even nowhere in those meetings. And those are documents that's out there. So if we're going to talk about truth, let's talk about the truth. And those are the documents out there. And I know
you can't talk about the truth yet because your lawyers don't want you talking at all. So the smart thing to do is, I understand you want to say something to the listeners, and I'm sure the listeners appreciate it. But man, just wait until all the dust settles. I don't think you should be.
Pause again. Yes, you guys, this appears to be a somewhat rehearsed, in my opinion. How Charlene is coming in on certain points to, in my opinion, purposely deter DJ Envy from speaking about it more. This is, to me, to put a band-aid on a conversation from a social media aspect and media aspect, but no, the pressure is on, seems like. Shout out to Tony the Closer. Shout out to the mainstream media who picked up on this, the investigative reporters. So, wow. Okay, let's continue.
Look at you. You can't even help yourself. What else you want to say now?
Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
All right.
But
when the dust settles,
okay,
you can have a real conversation with the audience.
But it's difficult because the stuff that you're hearing is like, that's totally not true. Like, it's not true. Like, that's fake news. Like, those are fake stories.
Woo! Okay, you guys. There you have it. You really... Whoa, they think this the same thing make you laugh or make you cry, as they would say back in the old days. Wow. Woo, he seemed very cavalier, very comical in this little statement he done did on iHeart's radio station. He seemed very nonchalant about the substantial amount of money he's alleging that he lost. It's being alleged that DJ Envy said he lost about $500K. There was a victim who did an interview with the mainstream media, and that particular guy, I think, lost $1 million and seemed very upset and unhappy. And DJ Envy, allegedly lost $500K and just seemed so unbothered about it. Is he suing Caesar, Peanut, DJ Envy? I wonder, is he suing them? I haven't heard anything unless I missed that. I'm going to have to do a little bit more digging to see if he's suing his business partner or former friend, whatever you want to call him. He could have issued a statement if he felt too that he's the victim, or if he feels that he's the victim. DJ Envy, aka government name Rashawn Casey, if he feel that he lost a lot of money and he's like the other people, why don't he speak out against Caesar? Like, I mean, like I said before, I'm no longer an avid listener of this show, of the Breakfast Club, but I've heard DJ Envy go off about a lot of things. And to my understanding, he's very passionate when it comes to money and this. He's passionate about that. I'm surprised he's not going off about it against his, business partner. Yeah, WTF. What was so funny? Tell me that. Yeah, okay. It just sounds like, you guys, in my opinion, that this was totally disingenuous and prepared and put together. He also seemed very arrogant, in a sense like he's trying to talk his way out of something. And then Charlene trying to be more comical about the situation. Yeah, I'm rethinking, you guys. This probably was all put together just to address it. And because people were calling for him to address this situation. So if this was not approved by DJ Scammy's attorney, he and Charlene, the GOFFY, decided to put this out all together. This was actually, in my opinion, an epic fail. Just silly, just stupid, if you ask me, to do this on their own accord if this was not approved by DJ Envy's attorney. It's the audacity for me. And to be comical about it, wow. To make light of the situation. Did you all check out my last video on this? I'm going to drop the link in the description section of this post. The major news media picked up on this and interviewed some of the victims. They probably interviewed more. It's so much. You can't put it all in one clip. You got to do a whole, probably 2-hour documentary or show about it, because there's so many victims. Honestly, I really do not believe much of what DJ Envy is saying. He's, in my opinion, a slick talker, a fast talker, who doesn't seem fazed by losing a substantial money, allegedly $500K he's lost. If he's crying at home in bed, then maybe that's the case, and keeping up a poker face in public, maybe that's what's going on. But you can't tell me if he allegedly lost $500K that he's not going to be doing interviews as well. Because I would. I would. If I literally did not know, I'm speaking up. Like, wait a minute. I just promoted, but no, whatever. I just promoted this guy, this individual. I mean, he could have even issued an apology like, hey, this was a bad business deal on my half. Like, take some sort of accountability. Okay, you guys, really quickly. Caesar Pina, to my understanding, has a criminal record. A long rap sheet. And I'm going to share this with you really quickly as well. I mentioned this before in my previous video on this topic. Like I said, I will post a link in the description section of this post. I do believe in people getting out of jail and prison and just turning their life completely around. People deserve a second chance, period. But I will say this. I'm not going to promote a friend or family member business if the offenses that they was convicted of or pled guilty to or copped a plea to, and they did a substantial amount of years, was, to my understanding, was scamming. I think Caesar Pina has a history of this. So, although a person can get out of prison or jail and turn their lives around completely, I'm not going to, you know what, I got to see what you're working with first. I got to see what you're working with. I got to see if things are legit. I'm not going to promote you, period. I'm not. Let me go ahead and share the screen with you guys that I came across. I think is 99.999% legit. This information is out here on the internet. So let me go ahead and share this. Okay, you guys, as you see here, I did a simple Google search, United States of America versus Pina. And I believe this is Caesar Pina, DJ Envy's friend and business partner, or possibly former friend and business partner. And let me click here. New Jersey District Court. Yeah, like I said, I'm 99.9999% sure that this is the same person. And look at this. Look at this. Look at the history. Look at this. Let me zoom in. 2004. November 2004. 2003. 2003. 2003. March 2002. This is a criminal history arrest. Warrant. This is on plainsight.org. So this is a legit website. However, I'm 99, again, 0.999999% sure that this is the same Caesar Pina. So this is his rap sheet. This is the cases. And let me see. Oh, okay. Look at this. This case has been viewed 7,103 times. Probably viewed like this because of Caesar Pina. So yeah, you guys, I think this is definitely legit. Wow. Judgment as Caesar Pina, court imprisonment 16 months, supervised release 3 years, restitution $71K, minute entry for proceedings held before Judge Harold, motion by government granted, boom boom boom. Plea agreement as to Caesar, he copped a plea. Application for permission to enter plea of guilty by Caesar Pina. Waiver of indictment by Caesar Pina. This is back in 2003. Oh gosh, okay. Okay, February 2005, 2002, this one, August 2002, arrest of Caesar Pina, August 2001. Okay, you guys, so you saw that. You can confirm this on your own time at your own leisure. I will post a link in the description section of this video. Just always continue to conduct your own research and due diligence. Even when I'm sharing things or information with you guys, no one out here is 1,000% or 100% with everything, we speak about or whatever. But yes, continue to conduct your own soft or preliminary research when I present to you certain information. And this is just my disclaimer. So it's alleged that Caesar Pina criminal history dates back to 2002, as you can see. Whew, oh boy. So you mean to tell me, and it goes back to DJ Envy, goes on his employer's platform and promote this guy? iHearts, in my opinion, you guys, could possibly be looking at lawsuits coming down the pipeline. I would not be surprised, so pay attention, everyone. Stay woke, as they would say. Pay attention and stay woke. The rabbit hole runs deep. And also, I wonder, was iHeart executives aware of this digital statement made by DJ Envy, government name Rashawn Casey, to be announced on their syndicated program, The Breakfast Club? If they did, if iHeart's radio was aware, they are just as foolish, in my opinion. So, you guys, there you have it. This story continues to develop. A gift that keeps on giving. Well, thank you all for tuning in to my channel, The Mix. Like, share, subscribe. If you all are interested in donating, go ahead and donate. All donation information go towards content enhancement creation. My donation information is Zelle and Cash App. The links are in the description section. But yeah, I do not believe DJ Envy, to be honest, like I said, you guys, he won't do a day in jail or prison. His father is law enforcement. Well, was. He's retired. Trust me. They usually have a tight-knit community when it comes to law enforcement. And I say this respectfully. They do. he won't do a day in jail or prison. He won't. I would be shocked if he does. But okay, you guys, I will continue to update you all as I continue to receive information on this topic. It made mainstream media news. Shout out to Tony the Closer and a couple other people, I believe, on YouTube, who got down to the bottom of this. My heart goes out to the victims, and hopefully they will be made whole, rightfully and deservingly. So I appreciate you guys domestically and internationally. Continue to support my channel, The Mix, by sharing my content. Continue to engage in the comment section respectfully and peacefully. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.